Then he went to the ticket window because he wanted to purchase two tickets of the United States of Galsworth, for one for himself and one for Lucia. And because he loved to stay there in Galsworth, as he has heard that there are beautiful towns and people used to sit in front of their houses in their huge lawns, greenery is there, peace is there, means mental peace is there, and people used to spend time with each other, and they are feeling very happy, and they were using palm leaf fans, and in this way they were leading a peaceful life. So he thought that he should also visit there along with the wife. And even one first world war has been over, and the second world war is still yet to come in future. So he wanted to have two tickets. So he went to the ticket window and he talked to the clerk, and he said, "Okay, I need two tickets." And when the clerk was trying to give the tickets, he said, "Okay, you should give me money." And Charlie gave the present currency. At this, the clerk became very much annoyed, and he scolded Charlie, "Are you trying to make me fool? Are you thinking I am a stupid person?" And then Charlie saw in the drawer that that currency, means the currency which Charlie was having, was not in practice. Then he realized, yes, that's why the clerk is becoming annoyed. And then he ran away from that platform, because he did not want to go to jail, because jails, whether it belongs to old time or whether belongs to present time, cannot be a suitable place for anyone. So then and there he ran away. And when he came next day again, he tried to go to the railway third railway platform, but first of all he thought, I should arrange some money of the old time. So he drew $300 from his bank account and went to one person who changed the currency. So he just though he collected this $300 to pay the premium or to pay the installment of his bank, but now he has decided to spend this money to go to Galsworth in the olden time, where he could enjoy year 1894. So he just exchanged the money, and now again he went to the third label of the railway station, but this time he was not able to get this platform. He was searching here and there, but only two platforms were there, two labels were there. So he became very sad, and Luisa was also very sad to hear the whole story of the husband, because she was thinking that he is so mentally disturbed that even he has changed the money, and again he tried to go to the third label. And then Charlie was also thinking that, okay, if I am not able to have the third platform number, no problem, I will try to be happy by seeing my collection of the stamps, as his grandfather was also doing. So one day he was just opening the box, many tickets were there, and he found one envelope. This was from Sam, means his psychiatrist, and for last many days Sam was not looking anywhere. So he was searching to Sam, and suddenly he found one envelope or one letter from Sam in his box where he used to collect the stamps. Then he opened the envelope, and he was surprised to see that there was one note or one small letter for Charlie by Sam, and the note was saying that, "Dear Charlie, I am here in Galsworth and I am very happy, and you should also come here, so we will have fun time, or we will enjoy the peace of this place." In this way, this letter was written by Sam to Charlie, and he at the bottom of the letter, sign of Sam was there. And now Charlie was thinking, Oh, that's why he was not seen in the city. I was searching him. And in this way, the story is ended. Means this story is not having a specific storyline. And when you will read this lesson, sometimes you may get confused. But I have tried to explain the story in a simple way. The simple thing is this, that Charlie is a man and Lucia is his wife. Sam is also imagined, means Sam is the psychiatrist, but in reality he is also one of the imaginative character, and Sam is also imagined by Charlie. Even he thinks that Sam has gone to that particular place, means Galesburg. From that place he has written a letter to Charlie, and just to he just want to justify his thought कि yes, in reality this platform is existing. That's why even he has written one letter by himself on the name of Sam and kept that envelope or the letter in the box of the tickets or the stamps where he has collected the stamps. So this is the story, simple story. I think I hope you will understand.